I was sent this amazing cutting board. It is a 2-in-1, so it has this side with titanium, this side with wheat straw plastic, and it also has the little groove here so that it can collect any juices. It has a grater here. We can zest a little bit of a lemon. I do have a lemon with me. And then on this side, the titanium side, it's good if you want to cut meat. This is gonna keep everything really sanitary in your kitchen. You can hang it to dry as well. You can wash this in your sink when you're done. You just don't want anything hard or coarse on it when you're scrubbing it. And then just dry it all with a paper towel when you're done, because you don't want to leave it to air dry. You'll end up getting a whole bunch of spots all over it. So let's cut a few things. I'm using the wheat straw side of this. Super simple. And then easy to use as a cutting board. So everything you would imagine. Let's go ahead and cut a little tiny piece of this lemon. And I just want to show you the little grating side over here. So if you wanted to grate it, because you wanted to get the peel all grated, you could use that little ridgy spot to do that. So I love that it has that functionality of it. Let's cut open our passion fruit. Yummy, delicious passion fruit. Just makes everything really easy to slice. Over time, you may have scratch marks that do appear. That's totally normal. Nothing to worry about there. So super, super simple to use, even if you're gonna cut something as small as a grape. Easy. It stays in place. It has the silicone on the side, so it's no slip. All right, my kitchen is smelling really amazing. I'm gonna eat that grape. I'm gonna give this a good rinse real quick. So after you're done washing it, you're just going to dry it with a paper towel or a dishcloth, whatever you prefer. You can see, if you look really up close, you can see a couple scratch marks from where the knife went in, and that is totally normal. So don't be alarmed. It is going to have scratch marks, but the benefit of using something like this versus plastic is huge. So a lot more research has come out where you really don't want plastic cutting boards. Not only are they not as sanitary, but you don't want to have any microplastics and stuff like that. So this is a much better option for cutting. And these make really good gifts as well. So if you're looking for a gift for someone who cooks a lot, this is a great gift to give someone. Or for your own kitchen, if you're ready to upgrade, I highly recommend it. As someone who's not a professional chef, this is the one that I go to when I'm cutting anything, and it just makes life so, so simple. So whether you're cutting up pizza with a pizza cutter or you're using a knife, this cutting board is absolutely phenomenal. I think you're gonna love it.